Hi everyone, today we're going to solve two problems. The first problem you see is 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. And then when I flip the page over, we'll solve 4 times 4 minus 4 times 4. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And let's begin solving these two problems. All right, so the first thing I'll do is to look at my PEMDAS, P parentheses, E exponents, M for multiplying, D for division, A for addition, S for subtracting. So AS is the lowest level, MD is the middle level, it's higher than the AS level. Exponents, it's its own level, it's higher than MD and AS levels. And then lastly, P for parentheses, that'll be the highest level out of all these three levels. So we'll read from left to right. And what comes first is what we start. And then we look at the acronym and see if it's a level that's higher than the other. So I'm looking at two different operations, subtracting and multiplying. So subtracting will be a lower level. Multiplying will be a higher level than subtracting. So 2 times 2 will go first. So 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down the 2 minus and the minus 2. And then this is where it gets tricky. Remember, we read from left to right. So 2 minus 4 minus 2. Now, left to right, 2 minus 2. So if you have $2 and you need to pay someone $4 and you give them 2, you owe them $2 still. So your answer will be -2. And then you bring down the -2. And then if you owe another $2, you don't have another $2. Now you're going to be in more debt. So your answer would be -4. So this will be your answer, -4. Now the next problem, 4 times 4 minus 4 times 4. Now, again, we read from left to right. So multiplying is a higher level than subtracting. So I'll go with left to right. 4 times 4 is 16. Right? Bring down the -4 times 4, and then left to right again. However, subtracting is a lower level, and multiplication will be a higher level than subtracting. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 will go first, and then I'll bring down the 16 minus, and 16 minus 16 is 0. So your answer is 0. And there you go. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.